Hi viewers, welcome to this video. Now, if you're looking to activate a free SSL on your hosting account or on your domain name that you got from HostCreed, keep watching this video because that's what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, when you log into your HostCreed account, of course, you head over to the services and then head over to manage the service that you wish to activate the SSL for the domain. Now you can just find your way to the cPanel, and to do that you have some few options, either to go to your domain name /cPanel, or you go to cPanel.yourdomainname. Whatever it might be, or you head on to your HostCreed dashboard and you go over to the services and then you locate the account that you want to activate the SSL for the domain. And that is the method I'll be using in this video. So I'm already on the product details page right here for the particular account that I'm going to activate SSL for, and then I'm going to click on the login to cPanel to log in straight to the cPanel account. And while I'm here on the cPanel, I'll scroll over to the security section, and of course I'm interested in the LetsEncrypt SSL. So as you can see, my domain name over here is currently unlocked. As you can see, self-signed certificate, and it's currently unlocked. Okay, so by the end of the day, if I end up activating the SSL, of course it's going to be locked. It's padlock right here, of course it's going to be locked. Now let's scroll over to the security section, and I'll click on the Let's Encrypt SSL. Over here you can see that I currently have no SSL issue. You can see that no data available, and of course we have one certificate available right here to issue. So what I've just do is go ahead and click on issue, and you can see the domain right here. You can see the alt domains over here. So I'll just go ahead and click on issue. Now on the next page, you can include some wildcards if you wish to. And for me, I'm just interested on the subdomains, the cPanel.yourdomain, the webmail.yourdomain, webdis. I'm interested in, also installing SSL on these parts. Okay. So I'll just scroll down and I'll click on issue. Of course, this is the right one that you should be using, the RSA 2048-bit. Okay. Now I click on the issue, and I think it's going to take about 20 seconds or so for the SSL to be fully activated for my domain name. So I'll just pause this video and I'll come back when the installation is complete. And you can see right here, probably some 10 seconds later, we can see the message right here. The SSL certificate is now installed onto the domain this using the IP this. And bravo guys, we have successfully installed the SSL on our domain name. So to be sure of that, I'll just click on go back, and probably I'll just have to click on the cPanel right here. And right here we can see that the padlock is now locked. And we can see right now that the SSL has been successfully installed on our domain for free. So that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.